In today's video, we're comparing Airwallex and Ramp, two popular financial platforms that help businesses manage spending, payments, and company finances more efficiently. I have included the link to Airwallex in the description below. Later in this video, I'll reveal which one I like more and why I think it's better for most business owners, so make sure to watch until the end. If you're trying to decide between Airwallex and Ramp, this video will help you understand the key differences between the two platforms and determine which one is the better fit for your business. Let's start with Airwallex. Airwallex is a financial platform that allows businesses to send, receive, and hold money in multiple currencies from a single account. It's especially useful for companies that work with international customers, suppliers, contractors, or employees. One of its biggest strengths is its global reach. Businesses can make international transfers to most countries around the world and manage funds in more than 20 different currencies. This makes Airwallex a strong option for businesses that operate across borders or plan to expand internationally. Airwallex also offers business cards, expense management tools, and payment collection features, allowing companies to manage many aspects of their finances from one platform. Another major advantage is pricing. Airwallex offers a genuine free plan called the Explore Plan. As the name suggests, it's perfect for people who just want to explore Airwallex and its features and functionality to see if it's a good fit for their business needs. Even though it's a free plan, it's still packed with tons of features that go beyond what most business owners will ever need, including international transfers, multi-currency accounts, and the ability to send, receive, and hold funds in over 20 currencies. Now, let's take a look at Ramp. Ramp is a financial operations platform best known for its corporate cards and expense management tools. The platform focuses on helping businesses reduce unnecessary spending, automate financial processes, and gain better visibility into company expenses. One of Ramp's strongest features is its spend management system. Businesses can issue employee cards, set spending limits, create approval workflows, automate expense reporting, and monitor company spending from a centralized dashboard. Ramp also offers bill payment tools, accounting integrations, and financial automation features that help reduce administrative work for finance teams. For companies that are primarily focused on controlling expenses and improving operational efficiency, Ramp can be a very attractive solution. When comparing Airwallex and Ramp, the biggest difference is their core focus. Ramp is heavily focused on spend management and expense optimization. Its goal is to help businesses control costs and automate financial workflows. Airwallex certainly offers expense management and business card features as well, but its platform extends much further into global financial operations. Airwallex is built to support businesses that need international payments, multi-currency accounts, and global financial infrastructure alongside their spending controls. Another important consideration is international business activity. If your company regularly works across borders, receives payments from international customers, pays overseas suppliers, or manages multiple currencies, Airwallex offers capabilities that are specifically designed for those use cases. Ramp's strengths are more concentrated around internal financial management and expense control rather than global payments and currency management. Both platforms offer modern interfaces, strong automation features, and tools that can save businesses time and money. The right choice largely depends on whether your biggest priority is expense management or international financial flexibility. If your company primarily needs advanced spend controls and financial automation, Ramp is definitely worth considering. However, if you want a broader financial platform that combines expense management with international payments, multi-currency accounts, and global business capabilities, Airwallex stands out as the more versatile option. Personally, I think Airwallex is the better business banking option over Ramp. Airwallex provides excellent international payment capabilities, supports over 20 currencies, and gives businesses access to a comprehensive set of financial tools from a single platform. If you want to try out Airwallex, you can use the link below to create a free account. I recommend starting with the Explore plan, since it's literally free and has all the features you'll probably ever need. After making your first transaction, you can decide if you want to continue using Airwallex or switch to another provider. If Airwallex has any special offers or discounts right now for my audience, you'll get those automatically by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching.